Alright y'all, so I happen to got this Veet gel cream hair remover. I'm pretty much excited and very tired actually, so let's get this going. Alright you guys, so let's go ahead and try this out. I have a pop-up event today. I can't like bust out there with some legs looking like this, like no. You're not gonna see my legs, this looks atrocious. They know I'm weak in the arms. Oh, there it goes. This is the tool we're gonna be using. Oh, I gotta strip them from y'all. My bad. I'm so tired. Ah, look at these babies. Nice and hairy. Yeah, perfect. This is as awkward as it gets, and I really don't care. Alright, I'm supposed to leave this on for about 10 minutes. Wait a minute. I hate these things, I swear to God. We're doing it this way, I don't care. You're supposed to go downward, it says. It smells very lovely. It'd be so much easier if I could just squeeze out, but we ain't got time for that. So, because they're all about women looking gorgeous, okay? Women looking gorgeous, yeah, and it's hella cheap. So we're gonna wait about 10 minutes, and we'll be right back with y'all. On right here, very, very good. I'm pretty much, oh my God, I got so big. Just smush that over to the side, right? 10 minutes, so I'm very much excited, y'all. We're gonna do this. We are going to do this. Okay, so I'm like 5 minutes over my time. I was going around doing some things, getting things ready. All right, this is the tool. This is the legs. This is me using the tool on my legs. I don't know this side. We're just gonna do it. Okay, took off most of it. Huh? It did its job for the most part, but I wanted to do better, you know? Hope you guys pay water bill. It is about to go up. No, I like this. And I am applying pressure down. Let me see if I apply no pressure at all. Okay, I don't even need to apply pressure. Crazy, right? It do leave some behind, which I'm gonna go over again, because it only takes me about 10 minutes to do so. But y'all see this in real life, right? Like, we ain't playing around here. Now, my hair has been, like, it's been about a month since I last, no, 2 months since I last waxed. That's actually a long time. But that goes to show you I'm very busy with life. I'm actually like kind of disturbed that it's not coming off, but we're gonna go back over and do that again. Yes, more coverage. No, this doesn't give me that itchy feeling or itchy, disturbing reaction like I do from Nair. It feels really good, actually. I even went over my scar. It doesn't even hurt. I leave this one on for quite some time. I lost the clear thing. How the hell did I lose this? Oh, it's in the sink. Okay. Don't lose this. This is clear. It's terrible. But as you can see, it's been on here for a while. It's been on here for about, let's say, 15 minutes. I'm rushing y'all because I gotta go. I'm one of those type of people, I keep hitting the snooze button. So you see that? Y'all see this? That's nasty and awesome at the same time. towel, see if it comes off. Like, bitch, be gone. Okay, it's not coming off. All right, we tried. But I need it to come off. I need it to come off. Like, this is disturbing me so bad. Attempt. Please come off. Okay, it kind of come off. It kind of come off. I'm gonna give it some credit. I'm only using the bigger part because I gotta go. Yeah, so the second time does come off. It gets down to the little nub, which I gotta get used to all over again because it's supposed to be like removal of the hair completely out of the pores, but at the same time I am rushing. But y'all see this. This is real life reviews. I'm not a sponsor for Veet. I just like looking for good products for people that actually need it because we all gotta be balling on a budget at some point in life. But this is a definite go-to. Like, I'm gonna still help you guys find like wax and stuff because I know some people cannot handle the Veet products. But this is amazing, y'all. Just look. Can y'all just like look right quick? Can y'all just like see that this is not Photoshop? Come on, I need you to. Yes, baby. It got removed. This is a keeper, you guys. It's a keeper. So you do have to do it like 2 times if you have like extra long coarse hair, such as myself. But if you have like shorter hair, bro, you're Gucci. You're good. I'm sounding like I'm whining. I'm sorry. I'm just so excited. I'm so tired. I literally gotta go. I have to get ready in about 50 minutes. So, that goes to show you, literally, you could be really rushing and it will come off. But again, if you have thick, coarse hair, you do need to do it twice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, God, this part is so annoying. So, I mean, I just kind of, like, go over it more than once. It kind of tears it off a bit. But, bro, bro. Yo, this is so nice. Oh, my God, I made a mess on the floor. You really don't need to put any type of lubrication on. It's so smooth, bro. It's so freaking smooth. But, well, I'm not going to put it on because it's hot as hell outside. I'm in Florida. But, it's still shiny. Like, this is legit, bro. I love it. I can't stop talking about it because the product is actually good. And it actually works. So, it still keep your body luminous, silky feeling. It feels so good. Like, it feels like a professional did it. Bro. I cannot wait to show off my legs. Well, it literally just cleans right off. If you have this, just try to make sure that it goes down because it looks like it's clumping up in the sink. I tend not to do it on the armpits, but whatever. It still works the same. It's like in the pit of the arm, bro. The shit is at a weird angle for me. The hair is coming off though, real smooth and clean. And they say not to do it around this area because most people are hella sensitive. I caught up with life. It smells like Veet and sweaty armpits, but it's almost gone. Well, majority of it is gone actually. So, it's still a yes for me. I enjoy this product. It's really good. So, definitely get Veet, y'all. So there you guys have it. I definitely love this product. Will definitely use it again. Definitely saving it. Gotta make sure I don't lose this. I don't even know how to. I don't know what to do with this. But I'm just definitely gonna go ahead and keep this. This is a lifesaver. And it's still heavy, bro. So there's a lot more left. So I gotta go to my pop-up. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Stay blessed and respect. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Bye.